If you want to transfer data from your iPhone to Google Pixel 11, first of all, we're gonna open Settings. Here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and search for Accounts and Backup. Then in here, you're gonna choose Android Switch. In here, tap on Start, and you want to choose iPhone or iPad. You will need to turn on location if it's not enabled yet. There we go. And now we have this QR code, and we're gonna open the QR code scanner on our iPhone. So at this point, we don't even need to use the Android Switch app. We can just scan this QR code using the QR code scanner, the native one, the built-in one on our iPhone. Over here, tap on Continue. You might need to use Face ID in order to verify yourself. There we go. And soon we should be able to continue on our Pixel. So let's go next. Over here, we have the option to copy apps and the data. So of course, we're gonna go next. Now in here, we can choose whatever we want to transfer. So of course, we have the app data, accounts, and so on and so forth. And you will notice that some of these options are also checked but grayed out. This means that unfortunately, you cannot transfer them. So for example, apps cannot be transferred. To get all of these apps that you have on your iPhone, you will have to manually download them by using the Play Store on your Google Pixel 11. So once you select everything that you want to transfer, and in my case, I'm gonna actually uncheck everything except for images, or photos and videos actually, because I don't need anything else. So I'm just gonna keep that enabled in here, and then I can just tap on Continue. Over here, we also have an information that our photos only stored in iCloud will not be transferred. So of course, we'll need to go to this website, for example, by using our Google Pixel to access these iCloud photos. There we go. Now we are transferring everything, and we just need to wait until it is done. You might also find some additional apps that you can actually download. So the app might be able to detect some of the apps that are immediately available in the Play Store. So after all, you still have the option to transfer some apps, of course. In my case, I'm just going to uncheck this. I don't need these apps, but of course, in your case, you might actually want to install them straight away. So I'm just going to tap on, Do It Later over here. And then one more time. And there we go. So copying is done. You can see that, for example, accessibility settings have been transferred, app data, photos and videos, and Wi-Fi networks. And in some cases, you can also copy the home screen layout. It seems that now I can copy data without a Google account. So unfortunately, this didn't work, but we should be able to tap on Done. Over here, we also have additional information on how to get data from the iCloud, so be sure to read that, and of course, we should be able to proceed. There is also this information that you should turn off iMessage after the setup. Here we also have the guide on where to find the iMessage option and how to turn it off. Of course, you do this on your iPhone, and then go and tap on Done. And there we go. You might also see some mobile data preferences afterwards, so you can of course go through them, and we are all set. Leave a like and subscribe.